How to delete OneDrive account. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to delete your account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to profile icon at the top left corner. Select it. Then tap on to settings right here. Then here you can find your account right here. Tap on it. Now to delete it, simply tap on to delete account right here. Select it. And after that, simply tap on to close account. And that's it. This is how you can delete OneDrive account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.